Alocasia azlanii, commonly known as red mambo, is a striking tropical plant admired for its unique and vibrant foliage. This rare and exotic species belongs to the Araceae family and originates from the rainforests of Southeast Asia, specifically Malaysia. Here are detailed facts about Alocasia azlanii. Appearance. Alocasia azlanii is celebrated for its dramatic and colorful leaves. The foliage is typically heart-shaped and boasts a dark, almost black, base color. What makes this plant truly spectacular are the iridescent, metallic pink to purple veins that run throughout the leaves, giving them a shimmering effect. The leaves' texture is leathery and glossy, adding to their visual appeal. The combination of deep, dark leaves with bright, contrasting veins makes Alocasia azlanii a standout in any plant collection. Growth and size. Alocasia azlanii is a relatively compact plant, making it suitable for indoor cultivation. It usually grows to a height of about 12 to 24 inches, 30 to 60 centimeters, and spreads to a similar width. The plant's growth rate can be moderate, and it requires some patience to see it reach its full potential. Under optimal conditions, the plant can produce multiple leaves, each showcasing its unique coloration. Light requirements. Alocasia azlanii thrives in bright, indirect light. While it can tolerate lower light conditions, its growth may be slower, and the intensity of its colors might diminish. Direct sunlight should be avoided, as it can scorch the leaves and cause damage. Ideally, placing the plant near an east or north-facing window where it can receive gentle morning light is beneficial. Watering and humidity. This plant prefers consistently moist soil but does not tolerate waterlogging. The key to successful watering is to keep the soil evenly moist but allow the top inch to dry out between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot, a common issue with Alocasias. High humidity levels are crucial for Alocasia azlanii's health and vibrant appearance. The plant thrives in humidity levels of 60% or higher. In drier environments, using a humidifier or placing the plant on a pebble tray with water can help maintain adequate humidity. Temperature. Alocasia azlanii prefers warm temperatures, ideally between 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. It is sensitive to cold drafts and should be kept away from windows or doors that might expose it to chilly air. During the colder months, it is essential to protect the plant from temperatures below 60 degrees Fahrenheit 15 degrees Celsius as it can cause stress and hinder its growth. Soil and potting. A well-draining soil mix is essential for Alocasia azlanii. A combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark provides the necessary drainage and aeration. The pot should have drainage holes to prevent water from accumulating at the bottom. Repotting is generally required every 1 to 2 years or when the plant outgrows its current container. Spring is the best time for repotting, as the plant enters its active growth phase. Fertilization. Regular feeding during the growing season, spring and summer, helps Alocasia azlanii thrive. A balanced, water-soluble fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied every 2 to 4 weeks. Over-fertilization should be avoided, as it can lead to salt buildup in the soil, which can damage the roots. During the fall and winter months, fertilization can be reduced or stopped as the plant's growth slows down. Propagation. Alocasia azlanii is typically propagated through division. When repotting, the plant's rhizomes can be carefully separated and potted individually. Each division should have at least one healthy leaf and a portion of the root system. Propagation can also be attempted through stem cuttings, although this method is less common and may be more challenging. Pests and diseases. Like many tropical plants, Alocasia azlanii can be susceptible to pests such as spider mites, aphids, and mealybugs. Regular inspection of the leaves and stems can help detect infestations early. Neem oil or insecticidal soap can be used to treat pest problems. Proper watering practices and maintaining high humidity levels can prevent common issues like root rot and fungal infections. Special considerations. Alocasia azlanii is considered toxic to pets and humans if ingested due to the presence of calcium oxalate crystals. Handling the plant with care and keeping it out of reach of children and pets is advisable. Wearing gloves while handling the plant can prevent skin irritation. Conclusion: Alocasia azlanii is a captivating and exotic plant that adds a touch of tropical elegance to any space. Its unique foliage, characterized by dark, glossy leaves with iridescent veins, makes it a prized possession for plant enthusiasts. With proper care, including the right light, humidity, and watering practices, Alocasia azlanii can thrive and become a striking focal point in your plant collection. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.